You ought to get Hotel Del in the picture too there, Bob.
Yeah.
Now, I used to on Sundays. I've never been here. I've talked to people that's gone to it, but Hotel Del had a brunch, Sunday brunch, and about a year ago, it was $22, champagne brunch, all you could eat. They said the table was probably 50 foot long. It's got prime ribs, eggs Benedict. Of course, you know, you wouldn't be interested in the champagne, but houses right through here are cheap. Right off of Captain's Cups is that San Diego Yacht Club.
Yeah, we are.
I'll get you back there. I'll keep that.
Peter, Party 2, we have a table downstairs for you.
That's to be the
charge. Oh, yeah, that's the charge like $1.50 an hour.
whatever, as long as I don't have to go back and put quarters in the
Right,
can.
no, you know, they have like, and I thought after this one,
Restrooms located on either side of the cabin. There's trash cans scattered throughout the 1905 is built as a railroad terminal from Los Angeles to Newport. Now it's an arcade of many businesses. There's a fine seafood restaurant, Tail the Whale restaurant on the lower level. There's also a Spouter Saloon with an all-oak bar. Pearl Harbor is on the west coast, holding 30,000 pleasure crafts and sitting on 25 miles of waterway. Now if you look up on the hillside to your left, you'll see the high-rise buildings. This one's Newport Center. Walls to the west. Amongst the high-rises, Staten Island, where there is shopping district here in Southern California. And back on the right-hand side is the Balboa Peninsula. The backbone of Newport, approximately 2.5 blocks wide. And at this time, the water level is about 3 feet below street level. The offshore moorings for passage are right-hand side, approximately sold for $15,000. And there's a 3 to 5 year wait for the mooring. But it's
Talk to me, Delcy. You can say hello to Jackie.
Hi, Jackie, baby. Now, don't take any more pictures of me, Bob.
That's okay. Come on through. That's all right.
Thank you.
You can be part of the picture. This is San Clemente, California, down on where they have some of the beach parking here. Get a view of some of the houses. I'm going to swing around toward the beach here in a minute. This house right here is the backside. The other end, or whatever house or what the hell ever it is facing toward the beach. See the surfer rolling in there and some of them? Train running right by the beach here. Goes by here, you should see the surf in the background, that thing. It'd be a hell of a train ride. This is the back view of that house I showed you up there. I shot from the back side. This is more look from the front, right from the ocean. This is one of the San Clemente State Parks owned by the state or the city or something. I'm right here, and this is houses on the background on the cliff here. Kind of give you that. They're overlooking the ocean, as you'll see in a minute or so here. Dropping off the cliff now, and you see the ocean right after that. Railroad, that train we seen a minute ago just came through this area here too. We have a railroad track running right beside the beach. And to give you more of a close-up here. Move down a little closer to it in a minute, kind of pan everything, and there's a rookery out there. There are a bunch of birds or sea lions or something on it there. I'm kind of facing into the sun here. I don't know what's going to happen with this picture here, but fade away here and kind of have a picture of the whole thing. Kind of give you a close-up of these houses here, what they're like. Week here they had a hell of a brush fire that closed down this Interstate 5 right here. All this area had started right there. You can see from that road there, and from there on down there for a number of miles. I just drove through all that area, burnt off. And the highway completely closed to traffic. This is facing the ocean. We're swinging right over. That's a nuclear power plant, 2 of them there in the background. This is just north of San Clemente. Bring it in close, you get a little better definition of the beach here. These are viewpoints. We're up on a cliff above the ocean. It's called Viewpoint. This is a large compass built out of concrete of this viewpoint. Flores Viewpoint in the El Camino Rio. That's pointing out the Santa Catalina there. That's going out to Danny's Point. Over there is Catalina. That's the San Clemente Island. Jack, you talk about San Clemente Island. Well, they're an island and then they're a city. They're a city on the coast of San Clemente Island. Trying to give you some view of California looks like away from the ocean. This is back on the backside from the ocean. Coming around. This is a rest area right down the road from that point where I stopped a few minutes ago. You can pull in. It's just a California rest area along the interstate. If you look over, they got all up here. They got all kind of vendors, or what you call your roach wagons in here. They're serve sandwich and soft drinks and everything. There are about 4 or 5 of them. Beautiful place between the interstate and the ocean. The ocean's right over there in the background. Another area right up next to park overlooking the ocean. Now you can't see it too good, so I'm not going to record too much of it. Let's see of the state park. Get a view here. Some of these vendors that sit in there, they got the, you get coffee and 7-Up, and ready to get me a Pepsi in a minute. This is just south of Oceanside, California Beach. It's not a rest area, but a stopping off place so you can park and look at the ocean. Gives you a good view of the surf here. way a little bit so you can get. I don't know why this sun's going to affect because I'm kind of shooting into it. We might see if we can't pick something up way up there. Zoomed out here to give a long view here so you get a better picture of what the surf looks like. I don't know if the microphone is picking the roar of the surf up or not. Another view of the same beach, but a little farther on up the road here. The high point there, I thought might have get a little bit of the surf. Swing around here and we'll catch some in and hear some people trying to catch a wave and do some surfing out here. I'll zero in here. I guess they're out there trying to catch a wave. I don't know. There goes one. Let's wait here and see if we can't catch another one. There's one up, couple of them up there goes. No, they didn't go. One caught it and one missed it. Going out and get a little more of the beach here. One up on it. This here is at Ensenada, California. I'm looking south right now. I'm going to try to take a buzz all the way around so we can see some of the houses and everything on the back side of the highway. I'm facing right now and the back is almost straight. Not sure, but way over there where them cars are passing there, I think that's Interstate 5. I'm not sure. about the Second place look like. Houses up on the cliffs and the side of the hill back on what they call the beach highway now. Here we are. On a panoramic, bigger view of it. Circling around, coming around to the beach right now. Might be able to catch some surfers out there somewhere. Brings us around a full 360 degrees. I'm going to stop right now. I want you to stop for a second so I can find out where the surfers are. And I got some here. I don't know if they're ones that just lay on the board and come in or trying to find something. I'm going to stand up and ride it. There's one riding. He was riding. Cool.